Welcome back to Hydrohaven. Today I'm sharing my tried and true method for creating incredibly potent compost in just 2 weeks instead of the usual months. This technique has transformed my garden's productivity, and I'm excited to help you achieve the same results. Let's dive straight into this game-changing approach that will revolutionize your gardening experience. For successful rapid composting, you'll need a thoughtful mix of green and brown materials. Greens provide nitrogen while browns deliver carbon. Collect kitchen scraps, avoiding meat and dairy, fresh grass clippings, and coffee grounds for your greens. For browns, gather fallen leaves, shredded paper, cardboard, and small twigs. Chop everything into smaller pieces to speed decomposition. The smaller the pieces, the faster they break down. A diverse mix of materials creates nutrient-rich compost that will feed your plants everything they need. Here's the game-changing secret most gardeners miss. Rabbit urine is nature's composting supercharger. This overlooked resource contains concentrated nitrogen, even more potent than chicken manure, plus beneficial bacteria that jumpstart decomposition. The high ammonia content rapidly raises your compost pile's temperature, breaking down materials in days rather than months. If you don't raise rabbits yourself, connect with local rabbit breeders or small animal farms who often provide this resource for free or minimal cost. Just 2 cups of rabbit urine per cubic foot of compost material will dramatically accelerate your results. Choose either a tumbler-style composter for easy turning or a sturdy bin with adequate ventilation. Begin with a 4-inch layer of coarse browns like small branches or torn cardboard to create airflow at the base. Add a 3-inch layer of nitrogen-rich greens, then sprinkle rabbit urine evenly across this layer. Continue alternating browns, greens, and rabbit urine until your container is full, finishing with a brown layer on top. Place your compost system where it receives partial sunlight to help generate heat without drying out the pile. Monitor internal temperatures using a compost thermometer. Your pile should reach between 130 and 150 degrees Fahrenheit within 48 to 72 hours, thanks to the rabbit urine accelerator. This heat destroys weed seeds and pathogens while speeding decomposition. Maintain moisture levels similar to a wrung-out sponge. The pile should feel damp but not soggy. The urine provides both moisture and nutrients, but you may need to add water during hot weather or dry materials if the pile becomes too wet. When properly balanced, your compost should smell earthy, never foul, or overly ammonia-like. Unlike conventional composting methods, this accelerated approach requires turning your compost daily during the first week, then every other day during the second week. This frequent turning incorporates oxygen, redistributes moisture, and ensures all materials experience the high-temperature core where decomposition happens fastest. Each time you turn the pile, you'll notice visible changes as your materials transform into dark, crumbly compost at a remarkable pace. After 2 weeks of diligent management, your compost should be dark brown, crumbly, and earthy smelling. This rapid compost is incredibly nutrient-dense. Use about half the volume you would with conventional compost. Work 1 to 2 inches into garden soil before planting. Apply as a half-inch top dressing for established plants, or create compost tea by steeping in water for an all-natural liquid fertilizer. For finer applications like seed starting, simply sift through a half-inch screen to remove any larger particles. Implement a rotation system to maintain a continuous supply of this garden gold throughout your growing season. Save a small portion of each finished batch to inoculate new piles with beneficial microorganisms, further accelerating future batches. This approach eliminates the need for store-bought fertilizers while creating a closed-loop ecosystem in your garden. By creating your own supercharged compost using the rabbit urine accelerator method, you're taking control of your garden's fertility and setting yourself up for the most productive growing season yet. If you've found this rapid composting technique helpful, please subscribe to Hydrohaven for more garden-transforming insights and share this video with fellow gardeners who might benefit from faster, more potent compost. Happy composting, and I'll see you in the next video.